We greet you people. My name is Obiora Chueremaneke, Okrowa of Wawa TV. I am here with my colleague.
I'm Chiziane. My name is Chiziane, and as a matter of fact, if you see us, we've come to discuss the issues that affect us as Ndi Igbo and Nigerians and Africans, because it seems that we are really not getting it.
Okay.
I'm Chiziane. So stay there, and as we always say, if you watch this video, watch our videos, make sure you send us, yeah, let us know what you feel about it. Comment, go to comment section and comment and share. Importantly, share. Let us continue to discuss our issues. Ka anyị kpakọrọ nkata anyị n'ime obi anyị mara ka o si eme anyị as Ndị Igbo, as Nigerians and Africans. So you are welcome.
Yes, the system of politics in Nigeria. If my own mind, my own view, I would say that it's something not to write home about because of the impunity, the way they run it. Somebody can steal and be proud, come to the media, say, snatch, steal, do this. Since our leaders can behaving like that, do you think that we will have any headway?
No, it is bad. It is bad because most of Nigerian politicians are selfish. They are selfish because all the things that they tell their the citizens, those that want them to, especially during campaign, are lies. They lie, they can lie for, I can't really say, but the truth of the matter is that most of these people are liars, they are selfish. If they are not selfish, how can a politician tell you that when he's elected to office, he will build hospital and build hospitals, build schools, build all that. At the end of the day, his child and his family will go to abroad for health tourism, the way they call it now. Their children are abroad schooling, and every other thing they do is they go abroad for it is bad because the politicians are not thinking for the citizens of wherever they are leading. They are not they are not they don't think for their welfare. They just think for their own selfish interests. Okay, for instance, recently the House of Assembly in Nigeria, and it's those people that are representing different parts of the country in the House of Assembly, are discussing how to get over 100 and something million worth of a jeep for each of them. SUV for
Ah,
each of them. While
people are suffering.
people are suffering, retirees are not getting their pay. People, there's no hospital in most of the places in Nigeria. Schools, the schools that are effective and even functioning at very high fee. Those of them that are private. The public schools is not where nobody is even talking about it in Nigeria. Hospital, nobody is talking about it. But what they're concerned about is about their SUV, about their welfare, their family welfare, and all that. While the people are suffering. Now in Nigeria, there's no fuel. When I say there's no fuel, we are blessed with abundant
About but I
raw
raw material,
materials, raw
minerals.
fuel, and we get our fuel and take it to another country to refine.
That's remind me. That's remind me. Uh, Let me not call names, but we know where we are going. Federal government of Nigeria said that Nigeria cannot cannot construct refinery. But how is it possible for a single person, for a private individual to confront the refinery.
It is painful. It is just painful.
What are we
It's
doing?
like there's a systematic way of clearing business, making somebody to excel. Just one segment of people to begin to excel in business while others are suffering. For instance, how can somebody say that in a country where they have crude,
Crude,
enough
excess
crude,
crude.
excess crude oil, they cannot refine that in their own country? Every year they say they budget a lot of money for the refineries in Nigeria, but the refineries cannot function optimally. And people will come back, the same people. One of the presidents the other time came and said that this medical tourism will stop, that they will, I think it was Buhari or something.
Yes, but he always run to England,
And somebody, the wife came up,
London.
the wife came at that time and said that in Aso Rock, no single drop, nothing. There was no drug there, but every year they budget for these things. So a lot of things are happening in Africa, and sometimes we feel that something is just wrong. Maybe somebody is manipulating. Maybe one or two countries outside the country, outside Nigeria, are really manipulating the country and manipulating the leaders, because it is painful. I have never seen. It is hard to hear that other presidents
Yes.
from another country come to Nigeria for health,
Yes.
or send or bring their children to Nigeria for education. I don't see them coming to Nigeria for holidays.
Or anything.
I don't see other
Tourism.
people for tourism, for health tourism, for school, for anything. They don't come, but Nigerians we go for religion, religion
Everything.
pilgrimage in another country. Then we every what else? Everything. When they want to come to power, even they go to another country to campaign, to tell those people that this is what they've come here to do. That, in fact, when they go, they talk all kinds of sweet nonsense.
Now, I want to say something that is sensitive, even though it is sensitive. I mean, we must say it. Because if you hide truth, the truth will bring it out. See, I believe this time our bad condition was caused by judiciary. Why? When we are so very small, what we always hear is that judiciary is the hope of a common man. But the question today, is it like that up to now? What is happening in Nigeria? I don't think our condition is going from good to worse, from bad to worse, because judiciary could not do their job. It is sensitive, but I want them to know people's mind, because some people might not say it because they will think that they will be jailed. Even if if they jail me, they know that I'm saying the truth. Judges knows that I'm saying the truth. With the system, judiciary system, now somebody might forge result and they approved the person as a government official.
So many.
Do you think that people will not continue to forge result and refer it to that one?
So many things are wrong, my brother. What else can we say? A country where the electoral body, the people that are supposed to organize the election in the country, will come open and guarantee people that they are ready, all the electronic equipment that they want to use will work, and they will transmit electronically and all that. But towards when they begin to see the way people are, in fact, it is painful that people, few people in the country that are supposed to do what is good, will always try to uh, turn the will and the wish and the wish and the wish of the people, turn it upside down. People, when they begin to see where people are going, so many places, they started saying that the electronic transmission something that
Has problem.
has
Network problem.
how can that be every time? But they guaranteed people that that um, system, that they were going to use that system, use it perfectly. They didn't work. No. In a place where people will see that obviously that that person is not performing, the person will be fighting tooth and nail to remain in power. And when people come out to vote, the same people will connive and join them to also turn the wish and the will of the people, so that they can remain in power and impoverish people. And so, like some people will say, most people will say that they have weaponized poverty. So they will make people to put fear in people, put poverty in everybody. So many people to say that a lot of people are poor. So when they take all the money and they begin to drop peanuts, a small thing for people to spend, they will not have any strength or anything strong will to even reject those things and do their own. But even if you reject it, they still do the bad thing against.
Now,
Sometimes you get confused.
yes,
When you want to talk about the country, you don't know where to start.
yes. Now, there is something I've been want to tell our country people. That's
They say beavers will walk.
why.
Beavers.
No,
Why did
no,
it beaver?
no. I'm going to another angle, like on different angle.
Why did it walk?
Yes, from what is happening, it looks as they have agreed that Igbo people will not be president of this country. But I want to clear people's mind. Do you know why they did that? Because Oyibo people knows that Igbos are the people that has the key of this country. Have it been that P2B won this election? Honestly, I think that new Nigeria would have come. The problem, if I am to say, the problem of this country is hatred for Igbos.
It could be, but
I'm saying my mind.
but that is your mind. But in another angle, from another angle, the truth of the matter somehow is that whatever is happening to the Igbo nation, all the things that are happening to them are caused also by
Some of our people.
by most of the politicians. By most of the politicians. For instance, what stops them to have even regional security for themselves, just like the Southwest people did? What stops them to have regional economy, to develop their own, have a road network, industrialize the place, make everything work, so that the other nation, other people will see them that truly they can do what they want to do. They won't do it, but because some of them are planted to frustrate and sabotage the efforts of most of Igbo people. Why is it that even the industrial atmosphere is not conducive for those people that are doing a lot of things? We have a lot of talented people in Aba, in Nnewi, in Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, and every. What are the governors and politicians doing to make sure that those people are empowered? So it is not. They get allocations from Abuja.
Yes,
They get so many things, even security vote and all.
That's why I'm
Why are they
asking
not
myself.
using those
That's why
things? Has anybody stopped them from using the money that they're getting to make the region industrial heaven?
That's why I'm asking
for the world.
myself: is Governor Oti getting his own money from any other place except the allocation? Because the way he's working, I'm surprised.